go through question 1 and 2 really quickly. Won't spend too much time on this. But here you've been asked to construct a time series graph for the data above. So whenever you've got time, time will always go on our x-axis. So let me get a ruler. And the number of points will go on the y-axis. I would start my graph like this, so you don't forget. Straight away you've got your axis titles, and we can give it a heading while we're there. Average number of points earned per basketball game. Game at Decadent State High School. All right, we've got a nice title, and we've got that. So the years is pretty obvious. We're just going to separate them out. 2010. Still 18, so you've got to plan in advance. Maybe I should write it a bit better. Right, 2010, 2011, and so on. I'm not going to plot this whole graph. The one thing also I want to show you is on the y-axis, on the number of points, is it doesn't start at 0. Like the smallest number of points is 397. So we could start at 390. Yeah. So we'll just draw a zigzag line there, and we will start 390. Then every 2 you can go, 400, because you're only going up to, no, that might not be the best way. We might start at 380. So plan it a bit. 400, 420, that will get us to 500 very easily. 520. Yep, 440. So planning is really important, otherwise you're gonna have to start again. That just wastes time. 460, 480, 500, 520. Perfect. Okay, so that's really what I wanted to show you. Take your time, plan it well, and don't start at 0. Then to plot, I don't need to show you this. At 2010 it's 402, 2011 is 379, 397, sorry, and so on. And you're going to get your graph, you're going to join the dots, and you're going to describe the trend. Is it an upward trend, downward trend? And always look at the marks. Okay, question 2 really quickly. 10 points that show a correlation coefficient of 0.8. If you remember what correlation coefficient are, 0 downwards is a negative relationship, but it's positive in our case, but applies the same thing for the negative. Between 0 and 0.25 there is no relationship. Between 0.25 and 0.5 there is a weak positive linear relationship. Between that and 0.75 we've got a moderate positive linear relationship, and at 1, between that and 1 we've got a strong positive linear relationship. Okay, we know it's 0.8, so it's strong, it sits around there, and we know it's not a straight line, otherwise that would be 1. So we know that that's straight. Those dots, those 10 dots, gonna have to plot them straight, but not quite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 maybe 10. Okay, so that's strong but not 100% strong. Alrighty, that's question 1 and 2.